Imagine you're working on a project and encounter a problem while trying to calculate slopes for multiple measures in a group dataset in R. The issue arises when certain groups have all NA values for some measures, causing the LM function to crash and return an error. You realize that handling these cases by returning NA for the slope instead of crashing is essential to continuing your analysis effectively. In the solution provided, the key lies in using the tryCatch function within the calculate_slope function. By setting error equals function NA, you ensure that when LM encounters all NA values in a group, it returns NA instead of crashing. This approach allows you to handle problematic cases gracefully and continue your analysis without disruption. Moving forward with the solution, a more concise and efficient approach is presented using dplyr. By leveraging the across and summarize functions, you can calculate slopes for each measure grouped by subject and response. The tryCatch function is again utilized to handle cases where all NA values are present, ensuring that NA is returned for the slope in such scenarios. This streamlined approach simplifies the code while achieving the desired results effectively. In summary, by incorporating the tryCatch function and utilizing concise syntax with dplyr, you can successfully calculate slopes for multiple measures in a group dataset while handling cases with all NA values gracefully. The solution provided offers a robust and efficient way to address the challenge you encountered, allowing you to proceed with your analysis seamlessly. Stay curious and keep exploring the fascinating world of data analysis. And remember, subscribing, liking, and commenting are always a good idea, just like handling NA values in your datasets.